Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about how to stream on Kick using OBS. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So first of all, in this video I am going to make a complete and quick Kick tutorial where you can stream your URL or Kick live session with OBS Studio. So as you can see, we are already in kick.com. In here we have option through this to start a stream with OBS. So the process is really simple. You just need to be click on this right corner top button profile icon. Just click over here. Once you click over here, the pop-up will be open, and the pop-up you can see we have bunch of options that place. So here you need to click on creator dashboard. Just click over here. Once I click over here, now you can see we are on this platform and the interface is look like something this. So here we need to be create an stream. That for a reason I am going to create an stream, and then here you can see this is my first stream, and then save it. Once I save it, now I need to go on the left side, and here you can see we have various options. So in here you need, once you click over here the channel option, you will get more option that place. So here you need to click on stream full URL and key, and here you can see stream URL and key. Just click on the C, and Gmail code already come on your Gmail. So let's say Gmail, and then click over here. Once I click over here, now you can see already we got an verification key. So that for reason I'm going to copy it, and then let's go over here and just click over here. Please, okay, we selected wrong code, so we need to copy this one, and let's copy all the thing, and let's again paste it. Yeah, you can see it's has been done. So here I need to be click on copy, and then I need to be visit on OBS Studio. So OBS Studio, and click, and this is the OBS Studio link, and here you need to download the Windows version if you are using Windows. If you are using Mac, then you can go with this one, and if you are using Linux, then this may be perfect for you. So let's go on the application because I already downloaded it, and let's visit here. Once you visit here, you have the option here, you can see in the right corner control section where you need to be click on setting. Once you click over here, then you will find out this stream option. Here you need to be find out the custom, and you need to be set this, and also copy your stream key, and just click on copy, and now you need to be paste here. Once you click, you need to be clear use authenticity. Your username password will be been there, and then you need to be click on apply. So the process was really simple. You need to be follow this step by step rules, then you are allowed to use stream Kick on OBS Studio. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button.